Hi friends. I am absolutely devastated right now, and the only reason why I'm recording this is because I feel like if I'm gonna share the good, then I also have to share the bad. Look at my plants. They're all destroyed. All of them. I'm seriously so sad. Apparently, there was a rat living in the wall. So gross. And it somehow crawled up the wall and ate all of my plants. And I spent all morning crying my little eyes out. I am so sad. This is seriously not what I need right now. Oh my god. I really just wanted to share with you guys the realities of trying to renovate a fixer-upper. Like, on TV it looks so glamorous and everything's all easy peasy lemon squeezy, but in real life it's difficult lemon difficult, okay? Like, oh my gosh. It has been a little under 2 weeks. I wasn't necessarily counting, so I don't know exactly how many days, but my guess is a little under 2 weeks. And look, those are pumpkins, that's some watermelons, some peas. They grew so fast. They seriously sprouted so quickly. It usually takes about 3 weeks, even when I have them all covered and whatever. But I think the reason why they grew so quickly this time around is because I have been watering them with hot water instead of cold or lukewarm water, and that is the only thing that I've changed. And holy cow, when they got demolished the first time, it had been about 2 to 3 weeks and it wasn't even this good. That's all I did. Make sure that you can still touch it though. Not hot enough to be boiling water, just hot enough to be like hot water. Like, if you can touch it with your hands, then you're probably fine. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you plan on starting a garden while you're in quarantine, let me know down in the comments. If you've made it this far, I hope that you have a fantastic rest of your day. Mwah! Bye.